Unlocking the phrase, haircut appointment. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a common but essential part of daily English conversations, making a haircut appointment. Understanding this phrase is not only about booking a time to get your hair done but also about navigating social interactions in English-speaking countries. So, whether you're a beginner or looking to polish your English skills, this video is tailored for you. At its core, the phrase, haircut appointment, refers to a scheduled time and date that you arrange with a hair salon or barber to have your hair cut or styled. It's a planned meeting, often agreed upon after a phone call, an online booking, or a visit to the salon. This phrase is a combination of two important words. Haircut signifies the action of cutting or styling hair. Appointment means a formally arranged meeting time. Understanding this phrase helps in ensuring that you get the service you need at a time that suits you, without having to wait in line. Making a haircut appointment might seem daunting if you're not fluent in English, but it's quite straightforward. Here's a simple guide. 1. Find a salon or barber. Research local hair salons or barber shops. You can do this online or ask for recommendations. 2. Contact them. You can book an appointment by calling them, using their website, or visiting in person. 3. Provide details. Be ready to specify what service you want, e.g., haircut, hair color, your preferred date and time, and any stylist preference. 4. Confirmation. Ensure you receive a confirmation of your appointment. This could be via email, SMS, or a verbal confirmation if booking in person. To make your haircut appointment go as smoothly as possible, consider these tips. Be on time. Arriving a few minutes early is appreciated. Being late can disrupt the schedule. Know what you want. Have an idea or a photo of the haircut style you desire. It helps the stylist understand your expectations. Communication is key. Don't hesitate to communicate with your stylist about your preferences or any concerns you have. We hope this guide demystifies the process of making a haircut appointment and encourages you to confidently engage in this common English interaction. Remember, practice makes perfect, and every appointment is an opportunity to improve your language skills. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more helpful tips in our next video.